Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 15.2 question number 3. Write the coordinates of the vertices of each of these adjoining figures. Here this is the figure. Let us find the coordinates of these adjoining figures. Here first of all you see we have to find the coordinates of A, B, C, P, Q, S, R, L, M, K. Let us find the coordinates of the following. First of all you see that we have to find the coordinates of A. We'll solve it this way. You see this is the graph. I need to solve in this way. That is the coordinates of the vertices, the coordinates the coordinates the coordinates the coordinates the coordinates the coordinates of the vertices the coordinates of the vertices the coordinates of the coordinates of the vertices the coordinates of the vertices the coordinates of the vertices in the figure in the given figure in the given figure is as follows. In the given figure is as follows. You see the first one is A. To find O is origin. Origin is, here you see this point is x is 0, y is also 0. The coordinates is 0, 0. Right? Next one is A. To find the coordinates of A, the value of x is 2 and y is 0. The value of x is 2 and y is 0. To find the coordinates of B, the coordinates of B is, here you see, this is the B point, x is 2 and y is 3. That means 2 and 3. 2, y is 3. The coordinates of C is x is 0, y is 3. That is 0, 3. Now, coordinates of P. Coordinates of P can be written as P, this point. That is, value of x is 4 and the value of y is 3. That is 4, 3. 4, 3. Coordinates of Q. Coordinates of Q will be this is the Q point. The value of x is 6 and the value of y is 1. That is 6, 1. 6, 1. You find the coordinates of S. The value of S. Coordinate of S is, this is S. You see, the value of x is 4 and the value of y is 7. That is 4, 7. 4, 7. Coordinates of R. Coordinates of R is, the value of x is 6, value of y is 7, y is 5. That is 6 and 5. 6 and 5. Now, to find the coordinates of K. Coordinates of K is this one. Here you see the value of x is 10 and the value of y is 5. That is 10, 5. 10, 5. Now, value of L. Coordinates of L will be coordinates of L coordinates of L will be, this is L, value of x is 7 and the value of y is 7, that is 7, 7. Now the coordinates of M will be, this value is M. Here you see the value of x is 10, the value of y is 8, that is 10, 8. Right? We have found all the coordinates. Right? You see the coordinates of O is 0, 0. Coordinates of A is 2, 0. A is 2, 0. Coordinates B is 2, 3. Coordinate is of C is 0, 3. Coordinates of P, this one is P, is 4, 3. Coordinates of P is 4, 3. Coordinates of Q is 6, 1. Coordinates of S, this is S, it is 4 and 7. R is 6 and 5. K is, this one is K, is 10 and 5. Coordinates of L is 7 and 7. And coordinates of M is 10 and 8. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.